You want a job in Germany. Don't just spray and pray your CV. You need to understand where the jobs actually are. First, you've got the service sector. This is huge. Think retail, hospitality, and healthcare. It employs the largest chunk of people. If you've got customer service skills, you'll find plenty of opportunities here. But competition can be fierce. Having German proficiency gives you an edge. Then there's industry, manufacturing, automotive, chemicals. This is Germany's core. Think skilled labor, engineering, and technical expertise. If you got those skills, you're in demand. But be prepared for a more traditional work environment. Don't forget trade and transport, logistics, shipping, and warehousing. Germany is a major trade hub, so this sector is crucial. If you're organized and efficient, you'll find your place. And finally, IT and information. This is a growth sector. Software development, cyber security, and data science. You name it. If you're tech savvy, you're in high demand. But you need to stay current with the latest trends. So do your research. Don't just apply for anything. Target your job search to the sectors where your skills align with the demand. Understand the specific requirements and tailor your application accordingly. That's how you land a job in Germany.